Welcome back to another review, and today I'm going to be doing unboxing of the DC Blue Beetle battle mode accessory included. 3+, these are from Spin Master. Here's the bag. Let's open it up. Here's Blue Beetle out of the box with his accessories. You can move his arms. You can move his legs. And you can turn his head. And if I really like that Blue Beetle toy, it's probably the coolest thing ever. If you know, Blue Beetle is the new movie that came out a lot of months ago, but this is the coolest figures in the world. Now, would you know that Blue Beetle is funny to be one of the superhero characters? I bet it is. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching box of the DC Blue Beetle figure. Bye.